Hi, I'm Mitchell with MMI, and this is Polymagnet's green knob, or rotational alignment. This polymagnet provides axial alignment and rotational alignment every 90 degrees. So there's 4 positions, and it creates sort of a nice alignment. And it doesn't require a centering shaft to drive that sort of a feature, but it's kind of hard to see when it's so small. So I put it on a piece of Baltic birch, and just to show you, it can pan or switch between a variety of different positions, sort of something that you might use for your smartphone or something like that, where you get sort of a side view or a regular view. And they have a lot of different magnets that drive the same sort of a feature for different size applications. So they've got bigger magnets for, say, a tablet, or smaller ones for a cell phone, and a whole bunch in between. So that is the Polymagnet green knob. And I'll post some links to it, and of course the demo kit with other Polymagnet demos similar to this one, but different. Thanks for watching.
Can we do that again?
Sure. It was pretty good though, wasn't it?
It was.